Hello, everyone. We're back and we are focusing on the pre-approval process. I'm MacKenzie Stewart with the Stewart Group and John L. Scott. I'm joined with Paul Careaga from Movement Mortgage. And today we're digging into the second aspect of the pre-approval process, which is assets. So, Paul, tell us more about assets.
Assets, yes. When we talk about assets, what we're really looking at is what's currently liquid assets in your bank account that is available for your down payment and reserves. So depending on what type of loan that you're qualifying for, in some cases, you not only need the down payment, but you need to have a couple months worth of house payment in the bank post-closing. And so, again, when you first pre-qualify with your loan officer, you can have those conversations. They can talk to you about the type of loan and what the needs are. But when we're talking about banking statements and asset statements, what we're really looking at is 2 months history, current history on your bank accounts. And that means all 4 pages, not 1 and 4, or just the top one. If there's 4 or 5 pages, even if it's blank, we still need to get a copy of it. When you look at your banking statement, what we're looking for is super large deposits. Did you have a large deposit in that bank account? We're going to need to paper trail it because we don't want that to be an issue when it comes to underwriting. Then the other thing is cash. Sometimes people have cash at home and they want to use that cash for the down payment. Mysteries cash or mattress money or whatever you want to call it doesn't work in the world of guidelines. And so the best thing I can say is get it in the bank now, because we're going to need that 2 month history on that account in order to be able to utilize that money to avoid any issues that we might run into down the road. Retirement assets, IRAs, those are investments. Those are all fantastic, but unless you're at retirement age, they don't pull as much weight as you might think that they would, unless you're going to do a 401k loan to come up with the down payment. Other part, gifts. I never got a gift as a kid purchasing my house, but a lot of people do. And so if you're going to have a possibility of gift, have those conversations now together to find out, hey, is this something that I want to consider? Is this a part of it? Have you talked with someone that's planning to give you a gift? If so, have an idea of what that gift might look like. All of that information is going to be super helpful for your loan officer and really get a good perspective on the best program and the best qualification that you're going to be qualifying for when you're looking at purchasing a home.
Great. Thanks so much, Paul. And we will be back on our next video series talking about what's our next topic? Thanks so much, Paul. We'll be back again soon with our next multi-part video series on the pre-approval process talking about credit.
Credit. Yeah. I look forward to it. Thanks, MacKenzie.
Thanks.